everyone, welcome back. Today I'm getting ready to pack for my Charleston getaway, and I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to share with you my new suitcase that I'm going to be taking with me. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to pack for Charleston, and also this is going to be big enough that I can pack this in one half and my husband can pack it in the other half. So I'm really excited to share all of this suitcase details with you. And if you've been around my channel for a while, you have probably seen me review some level 8 luggage, even take it on some of my trips with me when I do vlogs. I love level 8 and I'm really excited to share with you this new checked bag. So level 8 did send me this suitcase and I am just so excited to share it with you because I love all of the suitcases that I've gotten from level 8. Let's get started with this Charleston pack with me while I show you the new suitcase from level 8. So they sent me this 28-inch checked suitcase. Today I'm going to show you the features of it. I'm going to pack for my Charleston trip and share with you why I think it's a great option if you want premium luggage without paying luxury prices. This suitcase, it has such a sleek look and it's their luminous texture. It has this diamond texture to it, and if you can hear, it has a rough exterior, not that glossy finish, so it's going to be really great to take any of that wear and tear and scratches. You won't be able to see the scratches or anything on this. The clean, minimalistic detail that you see on this is what level 8 is known for, along with their signature yellow on their wheels. So the exterior is made out of a polycarbonate, which is very lightweight, and it has these quiet spinner wheels. They are so nice, you guys. They glide so well. And listen, they are super quiet. But these have that really nice spinner wheel technology that is quiet, shock absorbent, and very easy to transition throughout any kind of surface. I mean, I've been through the airports before and I've been fighting with my luggage. I will have to pull it behind me because a wheel's broken off or it's stuck or something like that. But this is really easy to manage. The quality is great on level 8 and I love taking them on trips with me because I know that when I get to the airport, I'm not gonna have to worry about anything. It's gonna be very seamless to go throughout the airport with these level 8 cases, especially because their spinner wheels are so phenomenal. You've got a really nice size suitcase. Just look how wide this is on the side. You've got a handle on the side and at the top, and you have this really great telescoping handle. So I wanted to set this on its side where those feet are and show you the telescoping handle. It is so nice. It is not wobbly and it has several locking stations, so it's going to accommodate most everyone's height. So I wanted to show you a close-up of the TSA locks. So you've got your zippers in place and then you can use whatever combination you want. And then to open them up, you are just going to flip that open and the zippers come right out. So let's go ahead and open this up. It is so big, you guys. There's gonna be so much that you can fit in this. You're not gonna have to worry about being underpacked, and that's why I love a great 28-inch is because I'm going to be able to put everything that I need to in there. So when you open this up, gosh, it has such a nice roomy design. So here's the inside. I love how organized this is off the bat. So you've got double zippers on this one side, and it has a compression strap, and just look how deep this is. So you can fit so much in here, and the organization on this other side is so great. Again, it's that mesh, and you've got a double zip so you can put some things in each side to keep them separated and divided out, and then you have your zip around. Again, very nice, smooth zippers on this suitcase. And when you open this side, you have another compression strap. You've got plenty of room for shoes, clothes, toiletries, whatever you might need. You've definitely got the room in this suitcase for it. And I'm going to be packing this for Charleston with my husband. We're both going to pack in one suitcase for 5 nights. So we're going to be able to take everything that we need in one suitcase, and that's all we're going to have to deal with on our 5-night trip. So I think this is a great option, and I'm going to show you now how I'm going to pack this up. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pack in one side, and then I'm going to let my husband have the other side. So you're going to see how me as an overpacker can pack in here in one side for 5 nights. What I'm thinking, because it's very warm, we are traveling in summer, so it's very warm in Charleston. So I definitely wanted to have a mix of things for dinner at night, sightseeing during the day. And then I'll also have a video that shows what I wear each day while I'm there. So you'll see the whole complete outfits together, but I kind of just wanted to show you what would fit in this suitcase and what I would be packing and kind of a general idea, but you'll see the whole outfits with the shoes and everything together in that video. And then also, if you want to stick around as well, after that video, I will also have everything that we do in Charleston, all the places that we eat and everything that we do. So there'll be a couple more videos on Charleston. If you would be interested in seeing those, then just make sure that you are subscribed. So I've got this cute little coastal looking top that I'm going to be putting in there. And then also some linen pants because I think those are essential for summer. Another pair of linen blend pants and then a linen top. I think these will be just easy, nice, casual tops and outfits to put in for night if it does get a little bit cool, which I doubt it's going to. And then I always have to have my dress options. So I've got daytime dresses and nighttime dresses, but they're really nice and breathable natural fabrics. And again, stay tuned because I will show how I style all of these, but several dress options. I believe I have a total of 6 and I will be there for just 5 nights, but I do want to have my options. And then I will be taking 3 pairs of shoes. So I'll have a pair of sneakers, a pair of loafers, so cute with this coastal look, and then a pair of sandals that are very comfortable. Okay, so first of all, I will just put the shoes around the edges to make room for all of the clothes, and then I'll go ahead and put my dresses. And I will put the 2 pair of pants. The 2 tops. And because I have linen, I'm definitely going to have a steamer, so I can put that to the side as well. And then I also have room for my jewelry case, toiletries, makeup bag, also a hair tool. And then, of course, I have the compression strap, but I think I'm not going to need it because I have plenty of room over here for everything that I'm going to be taking with me. But I love that it has the compression strap and it also zips on the side as well. So a lot of suitcases will just have one side that zips and one side that just has straps, but I love that both of these have zippers. So I'm going to have this one empty so my husband can pack in that one. And this is everything that I'm going to pack for my trip to Charleston. So that's why I love a checked bag, is because you don't have to cram things. You have plenty of room for everything. So I've always had good luck with level 8 suitcases in the past because of their smooth wheels, the durable shell. You're not going to have to worry about any kind of damage because this is really durable but lightweight at the same time. The roomy interior, it is so roomy on the inside, and the organization is so thoughtful. So if you're someone that likes longer vacations, going on cruises, international trips, or if you're just an overpacker like myself, then a 28-inch is perfect. And this one is just made so well, and it has all of the space and organization that you're going to be able to fit so much in this 28-inch checked suitcase. So if you enjoyed packing with me today for Charleston and you also enjoyed the review on this newest suitcase that I'll be taking along with me, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Also, I'll be sharing more content on Charleston. I'll have videos of what I wore and also everything that we did and ate while we were there. So if you would be interested in that, then please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy traveling.